Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today we are going to be showing off the update on our temperature blanket that we are making over on our Facebook Lives every Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern. I started this temperature blanket at the beginning of the year and it's just got a kind of fun twist on it, but I wanted to show you the update on the colors because they don't really show as well on the Facebook Live video as they will when I have like bright lights on them and you can see them and they're not in my hands. So I'm gonna grab the blanket and the yarn and I'll show you guys here in just a second. Hi friends, don't forget, when you click the link below and subscribe today to join Happily Hooked magazine, not only are you getting access to the coolest crochet community on the internet, you're also getting this amazing project bag that I use every single day and these ergonomic hooks. So click the link below, subscribe today, and I cannot wait to see you in the community. All right, so we are back with our temperature blanket update. So if you guys watch me over on our Facebook Lives every Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern, this is what I am always working on. We started this in January and we have made it the first 3 months of the year. So down here at the bottom is our first week and we've made it all the way up. So I do 3 weeks every single or 3 rows every single week. And you can kind of see how that works. So I'll show you, this was the last week that I just finished. So the bottom, this purple color, is the highest temperature for the week. And then this coral color is the lowest temperature of the week. And then this middle row of both of them is a combination. So I only do 3 rows per week. And I don't do like an average. I just do 3 rows. I haven't weaved in my ends yet. I haven't decided if I'm going to. But they're all out here. And it's the same all the way across. Nothing changes. But yeah, this is the blanket. And then what I just finished up, so in between every 3 months, I'm doing 3 rows of this seraphim color, which is more like mauve-y in person. It's like a lighter, like almost lilac with a little bit of pink in it and some like tan base to it. So it's different than the gray that's in here. So this is a silver and this is that pinky color. You can kind of see that there. So this will go in between. I'll do 3 rows in between every 3 months. So it kind of breaks it up for like our spring, our summer, our winter, our fall. That's just how it'll be. So we've got a pretty good variety so far for the year. I'm loving how these colors are working together. They're really, really pretty. This marina color, this is much darker in person. It's more of a richer, like teal color. It looks kind of like a lighter blue on here. The avocado, the coral, these colors all pretty much match, minus the blue color, for what they look like in real life. But I'm really excited. I love the back of it. I think this is so fun. And it's pretty good for just winging it, you know? Like we just kind of made this up. And just put it together. So I'm excited. Like I've said before, there is no pattern for this because we were just making it up as we went along. Nothing super fancy. I just crocheted a chain as long as I wanted it to be. This will end up being about 65 inches wide and then about 70-ish inches tall. So it'll be like a good throw blanket size. I'll have more of the information listed below, like the colors that I'm using, but like I said, there's no pattern for this, so I don't want to give you guys a pattern and then something be off and then you be upset because this wasn't tested. I still haven't tested it. I'm just making it as I go. But yeah, it's really pretty. So that's the update on this. Oh, and then the hook I'm using a Denise 6.5 millimeter Tunisian with a bunch of cables attached together. I should probably get one of the long cables, but this is working for now, so that's fine with me. But yeah, so this is the update on the temperature blanket, and if you have any questions, leave those in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them, but like I said, this isn't like an official pattern. This is just me winging it, seeing what happens, and if you want to watch as we go along, you can come over to our Facebook page every Thursday at 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. Eastern, and I will see you there. Bye!